Happy Wednesday, everybody. This is Miss Doyle again, teaching math today on, today is the 18th of March. It is our second math lesson of the week. This one is a little bit easier than the one that we had on Monday. Monday might have came a little bit hard just because we're learning some new strategies, and it's probably things that us parents and us adults haven't really practiced or used in a long time because we're so used to that paper pencil math or just using our calculator. So the meaning of difference is just a subtraction problem. So if I take 9 and I subtract 7, I get 2. My difference is 2. So whenever you're answering a subtraction problem, your difference is just the answer to that problem. So let's get started. Today's lesson should be a little bit easier. You are going to see some bar models, and let me just give you some background information on them. We have taught the kids earlier on that when they see a bar model, they look for where the question mark is placed. On this bar model, you have a part, and a whole. So there's 3 parts, or 3 words that make up the sections of each question mark or where there's a number. So there's 3 numbers to the problem. And where the question mark is, that's where we don't have our answer, or our difference. So when you see a question mark and it lands on the side that has the 2 parts, we know that we need to subtract the whole thing because we know 82 is the whole. We know 37 is part of 82, but we don't know the other part right here to make a full 82. So if we take 82 and we subtract 37, we get, well, I'm going to subtract it out, but we would get our answer right here. Okay, so that would be our difference. So in this lesson, we are just practicing subtraction. Kids should be pros at this. We've been working on subtraction a lot, but they're just going to see it now in a form with bar models with it. And on the next page, there are going to be story problems with bar models. So nothing different. Just remember, when you see the question mark on a part, you are going to subtract. And when you see a question mark on the whole, you're going to add. But because this whole entire lesson we're doing is all just finding the difference, every problem you see today is going to be subtraction. Okay, so for the first one, let's just go ahead and subtract this out. So we know that we can't do 2 minus 7, so that we tell the kids, we go to our neighbor and we regroup. We borrow 1, 10 from our neighbor 8, and he becomes 7 tenths, and then that becomes 12 because we add the 10 onto the 2 to make 12. So 12 minus 7 is 5, 7 minus 3 is 4, so we get our answer as 45 for the section that is missing there. Okay, so our answer is 45. So the difference between 82 and 37 is 45. If you took a number line and frog hopped your way from 82 to 37 or 37 to 82, you would hop 45 times. Another way that we have kind of talked about subtraction. So the kids should be okay with this one. This one shouldn't be too hard. There are going to be some regrouping, like where you go across zeros, where you can't do 0 minus 5, so you have to turn this into 90 and go down from there to 89 and make that 0 and the 1s a 10. So as you work through each problem, you're going to see the same thing through here. You're just going to do some subtracting across the whole chapter. So you're basically today only going to do pages 7 and page 8, and you are going to stop there. So lesson 3 only has 2 pages. Okay, so you're just going to subtract in every single problem. The question mark is always on the part today, and just showing the bar model to represent the picture form for the problem. Hope this helps. Any questions, please reach out to any of us second grade teachers and we will help you in any way we can. Have a great day, kids. We love you, we miss you, and we can't wait to see you soon, okay? Bye.